6 things that drive narcissists crazy and why you should care about it. 1. Acknowledging your annoyance. Narcissists are always on the lookout for anything that can get you upset because that is what they need to do to get under your skin. They can do this in various ways, but when you can recognize your weak points and know the things that bring you to getting upset, work on those things so that they don't get you that quickly upset, or ways in which you can avoid those things from getting you upset. You have conquered the narcissist because when the narcissist realizes that those things that usually got you upset no longer do so or know how to manage yourself now, it drives him crazy. 2. Appreciating the origin of their behavior. Narcissists always want to make themselves feel better about themselves, which is why they are sneaky in their lifestyle. If you are at the top, they would not mind standing against you and your authority to create mischief. But when you understand that they are coming from a place of insecurity and they are going through a lot, you can provide them with some assurance that you know what they're going through. This singular act of pity is what the narcissist does not want. So when you do this, you break their defenses and it drives them crazy. 3. Maintaining a positive outlook. If you are dealing with a narcissist who develops happiness from seeing others suffer, then allowing them to see the pain they cause will only ginger them on to do more aggressive counter behavior. But if you do not look untidy, even if you feel angry when they do these hurtful things to you, it leaves them in a state of confusion. After all, whatever it is that they have done to you will diminish after some time. But when you can handle all the hurt that they give you without letting them know how you feel, it drives them crazy and sends them into a state of confusion. 4. Not letting yourself derail. Because of the pressure that comes from the narcissist, it is always straightforward for you to derail from your dreams and goals when the narcissist tries to take center stage. But one way you can handle such a narcissist and drive them crazy is that you do not have to listen to them all the time. And you have to find a balance between moving on in the direction you want to follow and lessening the narcissist's worries and timidities. 5. Keeping your sense of humor intact. There is nothing a narcissist hates like calling his bluff and then meeting that statement with a laugh. You can do this without merely being cruel or rude. Once you do this, you drive him crazy so severely, and yet he is unable to do anything because you have in no way offended him or her, so they have virtually nothing against you. 6. Telling them that they need help. The narcissist knows fully well that they need help, but they hate it squarely when someone tells them that to their face. This is because they have low self-esteem and deep feelings of inadequacy, so they always want to feed their egos. But when you tell them to their face that they need help, it kills them, and they may be forced to stay away from you because they believe that you have genuinely uncovered them.
Well, guys, do you think this information is useful for you? I hope you can gain a new understanding from watching this video. Subscribe to this channel to watch more insightful videos in the future. Thanks for watching.